Hi everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. I just finished up work. Today I did facials at the clinic and I am craving Korean food. My friend sent me an Instagram of a new Korean restaurant located in Koreatown. I'm really excited to go because I think it'll be quite indulgent and there will be a lot of panchan. And for those who don't know what panchan is, it's all those little side dishes that come usually for free or complimentary with your Korean meal. I don't know if some of you guys noticed, but I have something called hives on my neck, which are luckily not itchy, but sometimes hives are itchy. And for me, they're stress hives. And don't worry, I'm okay. But sometimes I get it, and I know it's a common thing to get amongst other people. So I just wanted to share that vocabulary with you because you might not have heard that before. And while we're looking at my neck, you can see my Korean necklace. It says Kim Bona, which is my Korean name. Next to that necklace is a little blue stone called sapphire, and I really like sapphires because it is my birthstone. I am born in September. A lot of people born in September are Virgos, and I would say I'm a pretty classic Virgo because number one, they are hard workers. Number two, they are health conscious. I have been health conscious since I was maybe in 5th grade in elementary school. I remember one time I saw on the news that soda is unhealthy. So from then on, I did not drink any soda. So that started from a very young age. And number 3, I tend to be a perfectionist. I strive for the best, but you don't have to be a Virgo to relate to all of that, of course. It is going to take about 30 minutes to get to our final destination. We are sitting in moderate traffic, which is in between light and heavy. Luckily, we are not driving on that freeway over there, which is the 405. We are driving on the 10 freeway, and we are currently on a bridge. We are actually flying down this freeway right now. I'm so excited because I hate sitting in traffic. I spoke too soon. If you look ahead, you can see several brake lights, which means the traffic is slowing down. While we are sitting in traffic, I can talk about my morning routine. So this morning I woke up at 7 a.m. My alarm went off and I snoozed the alarm one time. I actually woke up at 7:10 a.m. The first thing I do is go to the kitchen to make or heat up warm water. I drink a cup of warm water. I think it's a healthy way to start the morning. Then I make matcha. And then I will make my cat and dog's food. I like to put a little bit of water in their food as well because I don't think animals drink enough water. I take my dog out for a walk and then I come back in around 7:30 a.m. I will cook my breakfast. I usually eat 3 eggs, and today I had some turkey bacon because I knew I was going to be busy at work, so wouldn't have too much time to snack before lunchtime. I shower, brush my teeth, floss, wash my face, put on my skincare regimen, put on my makeup, find some clothes to wear. Then I take my dog out one more time before I go to work. And then I'm usually at work around 9:30 to 9:45 a.m. Saturdays are usually a kind of chill day at work. I don't know what it is about Saturdays that makes it feel that way because it is still very busy and we are productive, but there is an energy of calmness, which is nice. I worked with 3 other coworkers today. Because we were all so busy, I did not get to see them too much. And then after work, I cut one of my coworkers' bangs, which are short pieces of hair framing the face. My former career was being a hairstylist, so sometimes I will trim my friend's hair for fun. We are now looking for parking, which can be difficult in Koreatown. So let's see how long this takes us. I think my husband is trying to squeeze in between 2 cars, and I think it's a bad idea. Okay, he thinks it's a good idea. We'll see. This style of restaurant is common in Korea. Normally it is open 24/7, and I'm going to take you inside with me. We have arrived. 고맙습니다. We just sat down and they already gave us a menu. So now we're going to decide what combo to get. I think I will get the beef with kimchi jjigae, which is kimchi soup, which is my absolute favorite food in the world. And you can add on additional items if you'd like. I might consider the naengmyeon, which is a cold noodle dish for the hot summer day. There is a display of soju, which is Korean alcohol, and makgeolli, which is also Korean alcohol. My dad really likes this drink. Okay, look at all of this food that we got for $30 per person. I'm so excited First, I'm going to create what's called sam, I believe, which is a lettuce wrap. There's a little bit of dirt on here. I think dirt is healthy, but I'm going to just clean it off a little. And then I will put rice. This is bulgogi, which is beef. There's some sort of broth down there. And I'll do some kimchi and whatever seaweed mixture this is. Actually, I forget what this is called. It is not seaweed. And I'll do soybean paste. And I think that's cabbage. So now, you wrap it up. Kimchi jjigae, which is kimchi stew, is my favorite comfort Korean food. I love this cucumber, which has a similar flavor to kimchi. This is a traditional Korean soybean stew. This is grilled mackerel. This is bulgogi, which is beef. We just finished dinner, and unfortunately my mic or microphone died. So I have to use my phone's microphone, and hopefully this is okay. We are heading back to our neighborhood. We are going to first stop at an Italian gelato spot. From there, I will probably order sorbet to wash down all the savory food I just had. I got chocolate, chocolate chip and vanilla, and strawberry sorbet. It's so good. We are heading home for the night, and I am going to spend the rest of my Saturday doing edits. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.